What's going on, guys? Well, it's Fuck here. Today we got something a little bit different for you guys. Today we are going to be attempting the fire noodle challenge, and to give it a little bit of a twist, I am going to, or I already have, combined two different noodles. So I have the curry chicken fire noodle, and then I have the 2 times fire noodle chicken. So one's a curry based and one's just the normal chicken. And I basically cooked both of them, and I tried the curry one before and it was pretty hot, but I have yet to try the 2 times chicken noodle one, and I did try a little bit on my finger before I actually attempted it, and it was actually super spicy. So let's get right into it and see, how this tastes. So here we have the noodles, as you guys can see. We'll give you guys a little bit of a zoom in. All right. Let's see if I can show you guys properly. All right. So when I would eat the curry one, it was actually super spicy. Like, it made me sweat. It's not super spicy. I've had spicier things, but recently, I've been watching all these videos of people like building their spice tolerances and shit. So I was thinking of, doing something like that. And we'll start with this, I guess. I mean, this isn't super spicy, but I mean, it's decently spicy. I mean, not for the average person, but for me, for example, because I mean, I've done like habanero and stuff like that, but we'll see. So initially, it doesn't hit you right away. Actually, I feel like it kind of builds up as you eat it, but it's good. The flavor is amazing, and it's decently spicy. It's actually delicious. I don't even consider this spicy. I mean, it's spicy, but it's more delicious in my opinion. It's more hot, like temperature hot. It's hard for me to eat because it's burning my mouth. It's actually pretty delicious. Not as spicy as I would have expected it to be. It's just temperature hot. But I noticed the heat does hit you, like, when you stop eating. Like, if you keep eating, you won't feel it. But the second you stop, it starts building up. Okay, now it's actually building like crazy. It is pretty spicy, but it's bearable. I'm just thirsty. I haven't had food all day. That's literally the first drink I've had all day. I've been working on my car. That's why. But it's good. It definitely is spicy though. Unexpectedly, just builds up on you. tell you guys, this shit is a lot spicy than I expected. Well, it's good. It's good for the most part. I think it's a lot worse because I haven't had food all day, so my taste buds have been like, they're at a clean slate. It's just hard to eat because it's temperature hot. That's the main thing. Like, it's bearable to just stuff it in, but when you're dealing, when you're dealing with like the hot steam coming out and hitting you in the face, it's not easy to eat. And my mouth is burning. I'm telling you, guys, it's mainly because I haven't had any food in my system all day. That's all it is. Ugh. Oh, fuck. Sorry, guys, I'm fucking done.